friends, welcome to Natural Beauty Hacks. Today I am doing with sunsilk shampoo slime. Okay, we have sunsilk shampoos. Okay, we can start it now. Second one. You want to wear sunsilk shampoos more, you can do it. It like this lightly and pour water, only some. Mix it well. Baking soda, wheat flour, take 2 spoons. Mix it well. You want to apply a color, you can do it. You can use any color. Mix it well like this. Get tweaking it is. And okay, let's keep 8 hours in fridge. After keeping in freezer 8 hours, now see it. Not applying in hands. See.